discovering Iceland's top 20 must-visit destinations. Welcome to an epic journey through the top 20 best places to visit in Iceland. From majestic waterfalls to captivating glaciers, Iceland offers a treasure trove of natural wonders waiting to be explored. Join us as we embark on an unforgettable adventure across this enchanting land. 20. Reykjadalur Hot Springs. Immerse yourself in the soothing warmth of Reykjadalur Hot Springs, nestled in the stunning Reykjadalur Valley. After a scenic hike, reward yourself with a relaxing soak in these natural geothermal pools, surrounded by breathtaking landscapes. 19. Landmannalaugar. Experience the otherworldly beauty of Landmannalaugar, known for its vibrant rhyolite mountains and vast lava fields. Whether you're hiking, camping, or simply taking in the panoramic views, this remote highland area promises an unforgettable adventure. 18. Skaftafell Ice Cave. Step into a world of icy wonder at the Skaftafell Ice Cave, where crystal-clear ice formations create a mesmerizing underground landscape. Guided tours offer a unique opportunity to explore this frozen realm and capture unforgettable memories. 17. The Westfjords. Venture off the beaten path to the remote and rugged terrain of the Westfjords. Here, dramatic cliffs, quaint fishing villages, and untouched wilderness await, offering a glimpse into Iceland's untouched natural beauty. 16. Húsavík. Embark on a thrilling whale-watching excursion in Húsavík, often hailed as the whale-watching capital of Iceland. Encounter majestic creatures such as humpback whales and orcas as they frolic in the waters of Skjálfandi Bay. 15. Vatnajökull National Park. Discover the breathtaking landscapes of Vatnajökull National Park, home to Europe's largest glacier and an array of stunning natural attractions. Explore ice caves, hike through volcanic terrain, and marvel at the power of nature on this UNESCO World Heritage Site. 14. Thorsmort. Escape into the wilderness of Thorsmort, a picturesque valley nestled between glaciers and mountains. Whether you're hiking along rugged trails or marveling at the valley's lush vegetation, this remote oasis offers a true sanctuary for nature lovers. 13. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. Witness the ethereal beauty of Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, where shimmering icebergs drift serenely against a backdrop of towering glaciers. Take a boat tour to get up close to these natural wonders and capture stunning photographs. 12. Snæfellsjökull National Park. Embark on a journey to the mystical Snæfellsjökull National Park, where a legendary glacier presides over a diverse landscape of lava fields, black sand beaches, and charming coastal villages. Explore caves, hike trails, and uncover the magic of this enchanting region. 11. Hraunfossar and Barnafoss Waterfalls. Marvel at the unique beauty of Hraunfossar and Barnafoss Waterfalls, where cascades of crystal-clear water flow through lava fields and moss-covered cliffs. Explore hiking trails and viewpoints to fully immerse yourself in the natural splendor of these hidden gems. 10. Reykjavik. Experience the vibrant culture and charm of Iceland's capital city, Reykjavik. Explore colorful streets lined with quirky shops and cafes, visit iconic landmarks such as Hallgrímskirkja Church, and indulge in the city's thriving culinary scene. 9. Thingvellir National Park. Step into history at Thingvellir National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the site of Iceland's first parliament. Explore dramatic landscapes shaped by tectonic activity, dive into crystal-clear waters at Silfrafjörður, and immerse yourself in Icelandic folklore and heritage. 8. Landmannalaugar. Revisit the mesmerizing beauty of Landmannalaugar, where multicolored rhyolite mountains and geothermal hot springs create a surreal landscape unlike any other. Whether you're hiking, camping, or simply soaking in the natural beauty, Landmannalaugar promises an unforgettable adventure. 7. The Golden Circle. Embark on a classic Icelandic road trip along the Golden Circle, a popular route that showcases some of the country's most iconic attractions. Visit the powerful Gullfoss waterfall, the erupting geysers of Geyser, and the historic site of Thingvellir National Park. 6. Mývatn. Explore the otherworldly landscapes of Mývatn, a geothermal wonderland dotted with volcanic craters, bubbling mud pools, and surreal rock formations. Bathe in the soothing waters of the Mývatn nature baths and discover the unique flora and fauna that thrive in this volcanic region. 5. Kirkjufell and Kirkjufellsfoss. Marvel at the iconic beauty of Kirkjufell Mountain and its neighboring waterfall, Kirkjufellsfoss. Capture stunning photographs of this picturesque landmark, which has been featured in numerous films and television shows, including Game of Thrones. 4. The Blue Lagoon. Indulge in luxury and relaxation at the Blue Lagoon, Iceland's most famous geothermal spa. Soak in the mineral-rich waters, surrounded by lava fields and steamy landscapes, and treat yourself to rejuvenating spa treatments for the ultimate pampering experience. 3. Seljalandsfoss and Skogafoss waterfalls. Stand in awe of two of Iceland's most iconic waterfalls, Seljalandsfoss and Skogafoss. Marvel at the sheer power and beauty of these majestic cascades, and don't forget to walk behind Seljalandsfoss for a truly immersive experience. 2. The South Coast. Embark on a scenic drive along Iceland's breathtaking south coast, where towering cliffs, black sand beaches, and majestic glaciers await. Explore dramatic landscapes, visit charming coastal villages, and witness the raw power of nature at its finest. 1. The Northern Lights. Experience the awe-inspiring beauty of the Northern Lights, a natural phenomenon that illuminates Iceland's dark winter skies with vibrant colors and dancing patterns. Head to remote locations away from light pollution for the best chance to witness this magical display, and prepare to be enchanted by the wonders of the universe. As our journey through Iceland's top 20 destinations comes to an end, we've witnessed the incredible beauty and diversity this country has to offer. From cascading waterfalls to towering glaciers, from geothermal hot springs to captivating northern lights, Iceland is truly a land of wonders waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable adventure. If you enjoyed exploring Iceland with us, don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration and tips. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping adventures or serene moments in nature, Iceland has something for everyone. Until next time, happy travels!